Hello guys, magandang buhay. So, quick tutorial lang ito guys ha. Marami kasing may mga nagtatanong kasi sa video ko last time. Kung paano i-delete yung Facebook page guys. So, mabilisan lang to guys. Wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy guys. Sundan nyo lang guys. So, una mong gagawin guys, pumunta ka ng iyong Facebook apps. Ayan. So, andyan na ako guys sa aking Facebook apps. Pindutin mo ito guys, yung 3 dots. Ayan, sa may right side. Pindutin mo lang yan. Then, mag-select ka guys ng page na gusto mong i-delete. So, magsiselect lang tayo guys dito ng page na hindi ko na ginagamit ha. So, halimbawa ito guys. Ayan. I-switch nyo lang guys yung page nyo. Ayan guys. Nasa page na po ako. So, pindutin mo lang ulit dito guys, yung 3 dots. Ayan. Explore mo lang guys. Then, pindutin mo to, yung setting and privacy. Then, pindutin mo ang settings. So, yan guys. Then, pindutin mo yung page settings. Yan guys. Bibilugan ko yan. Yan. Pindutin mo yan guys, yung page settings. Ayan. So, dito guys, hanapin nyo yung access and control. Ito guys. Ayan. Access and control. I-click nyo yan guys. Ayan. Nakalagay dyan ay deactivation and deletion. Temporary deactivate or permanently delete your feeds. Click nyo lang to guys. So, piliin nyo dito guys sa pangalawa, delete feeds. Ayan. Then, continue nyo lang guys. Ayan. Tapos, continue ulit guys. Ayan. Scroll mo lang guys and continue mo lang po ulit. Ayan. So, ngayon guys, i-enter mo lang yung Facebook password mo sa iyong main account. So, i-enter ko lang guys. I-enter ko lang guys yung aking password. Password ko. Then guys, enter lang natin yung password natin. Nakalimutan ko kasi. Ayan guys, kapag na-enter nyo guys, i-click nyo lang yung continue. Nakalagay dyan guys, delete ride with fried page and information. When you delete your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content and or information you feed. Share on Facebook. Your messenger and all your message will also be deleted. So, continue nyo lang guys. Click nyo lang yung continue para ma-delete na siya. Ayan guys. Click delete page. So yun guys. Na-delete na po ang page natin. Bumalik na po ako sa aking Facebook profile. Ibig sabihin guys, deleted na po siya guys. So, yan guys. Wala na po siya dito guys. Yung ride with fried. Yun po yung dinilit ko na Facebook page. Ganun lang kadali guys. Paki-subscribe na lang po. Salamat.